It is mentally unhealthy for anybody to live the kind of life some African women are subjected to. Pastor reveals how African men unknowingly abuse their wives in the name of providing.
All right, good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. Let me just throw this out there real quick. Sometimes we men, sometimes we're selfish and we're not looking at the big picture. Now, you will find out that when we talk about, we're going to provide, many of us will just travel and just leave. Some will just leave for a month, 2 months, 3 months at a time, and all in the name of providing. And then you will find out that the women will get stuck, the wives, they get stuck with the kids, all right, into 24/7. They don't have a life. The only thing they do is actually taking care of kids, running after all around with babies and feeding babies and doing laundry and cooking and all kinds of stuff. And these women would do it for over 18 years of their lives. And then their children will now grow up and go to college. Sometimes they get depressed. Sometimes they feel like giving up. Because most of the time, the men are not that sensitive enough to understand the pain that these women go through. And the moment the kids are now turning 18, turning 20, that is the time that these women feel like, okay, I think I'm free. I think I need to live my life now. And whenever they are trying to do that, then men will see them to be arrogant. I think we need to think well and have a discussion. I'm about to start that right now.